and welcome back to another episode of Indian Restaurants in London. And today is a very special one because I am here at Cinnamon Club, the original modern Indian restaurant in London. And it's a very special visit because they are celebrating their 25th year today, and I've finally made it. Run and founded by Vivek Singh. I'm very excited to be visiting his place. I have known Vivek for many years. I have met him at various events, but I'm very sad to say that I've never visited Cinnamon Club before, and this make this video very, very special because it's my first visit. Now, Vivek trained in India, but he combines the Indian flavors with the British techniques, and this is a grade 2 listed Westminster library. What a place. And I'm not going to waste any more time. Before I take you inside, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's go and meet Vivek and his team.
Hi, I'm Vivek Singh. I'm the founder and the chef at Cinnamon Collection. And this is Cinnamon Club in Westminster Library.
This is beautiful. Thank you so much for having me here today.
It's a pleasure, Chetna.
So
It's a pleasure.
I hear congratulations are in order because you are celebrating a big year.
Like a milestone. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. Big part of our
milestone,
lives.
yes.
A quarter of a century, no
Wow.
less. 25 years here in this venue next March.
Amazing. But you have trained in India,
That's right.
right? And what made you come to the UK then?
See, I'd been cooking in some of the finest places. I used to work at the Oberoi hotels
Okay.
and some finest places. And I only wanted to cook Indian food. And so I had access to some of the best. But having done it for about 3 years, I was starting to get itchy. I wanted to kind of push the envelope a little bit and
Okay.
kind of push the boundaries. I wanted to do creative modern Indian cuisine. And that kind of thing didn't exist then. And then this came along. And if you
Okay.
looked at this room, how could I say no to that? So that's
Yes.
how I ended up.
Wow. So you obviously have stayed for so long. This is home now.
Oh, yeah. In many ways, more than home.
More than home. Wow.
And the restaurant more than a child sometimes, slightly older child.
Really? So you have more than one place now?
That's right. So we've got 5 restaurants in London,
Okay.
3 different sub-brands. So this is our
Heart and
temple
soul.
of gastronomy, the Cinnamon Club. And then we have 2 cinnamon kitchens, one in the city, one in Battersea Power
Okay.
Station. We have 2 cinnamon bazaars, one in Covent Garden and one in Richmond. We also have a cinnamon kitchen in Leeds now.
Oh, amazing. Up north. You have gone up north.
Yes, we have. Yeah,
Wow. So I am guessing this is where your heart belongs. Not wrong to say that.
I don't know whether that's the right way of saying it, but it is the ultimate expression of everything that I wanted to do with modern Indian cooking.
Yes.
And everything else follows exactly that core,
Yeah.
that heart and soul
Yeah.
of combining the best of both worlds and innovative, creative, modern Indian cuisine, but celebrating inspiration from India and Indian spicing, but with the very finest British produce that you can find.
Amazing. So you are the best person to ask because you've been here, 25 years. The change you've seen in Indian cuisine in London only.
Oh my God. How long have you got? I mean, the change is as wide and as deep as you can
Okay.
imagine, and it's beyond, beyond so many things. A restaurant like this had no business surviving starting 25 years because it was the antithesis, completely against the grain of everything people thought they knew about Indian food and
Okay.
loved.
And then you brought this and people accepted and you're still here.
Well, not just still here, more than just
No,
survive.
sorry. Sorry. I didn't mean to say just survive.
No,
As in
no.
celebrated every day.
Oh yeah, completely. We love how much love this restaurant
Yeah.
receives, but also more than that, actually love the love that this way of thinking about India and Indian food
Yeah.
kind of is loved.
Yeah.
And the kind of restaurants you see in London now, David Gear, you wouldn't have imagined them 25 years ago. Dare I say, I don't want to blow my own trumpet, but this restaurant and our philosophy may have
Yeah.
something to do with it.
Oh, I absolutely have no doubt about that. You were a pioneer in bringing this to the
Thank
London
you.
food
Very
scene.
kind.
So, in the menu, is it really hard to pick and choose and remove things over such a long time?
No, not at all. Because that's, if there's one thing that has kept Cinnamon Club where it is today,
Yeah.
i.e. at the forefront of pioneering modern Indian cuisine,
Yeah.
is the fact that the only constant in our menus is change. And so we are constantly changing the menus,
Okay.
and constant evolution and creativity
Yeah.
is the only bedrock of our longevity and nothing else.
Okay.
And we are very frequently removing things that are the most popular dishes from the menu.
Really?
Yeah, we don't like to give people what they want. We like to tell them what they should want.
Oh, I see. Wow. So, at the moment, what is your favorite dish?
At the moment, I have got a mussels with a rice dumpling,
Okay.
which is on our set menu. Dare I say, it's one of my favorite things right now.
Uh-huh.
It's just the most fantastic thing that I think we have created in so many years.
Really?
And we must have created thousands of dishes. But I mean, we cook with the seasons, so they come and go. And we get in August and in the autumn, we cook with game. And I still like to think that we are one of the few, if not the only Indian restaurant in this country that cooks with game as much as we do.
Wow.
So you will find dishes like grouse, like venison,
Yeah.
pigeon is pretty much available
Yeah.
throughout the year. We'll try and use the finest halibut that
Yeah.
can come off these shores, and so they come and go.
Wow. So, I must try the mussels in.
You can try anything. I would love for you to take a look at the menu and see what you think,
Okay.
what leaps out at you.
And we're now heading to your kitchen.
Yes, let's do that. Let me take you through.
Oh, nice and quiet in here.
It's very civilized.
Wow. Hello.
And
Whoa. Oh, wow.
Chetna, say hello to Chef P.D. Khan.
Hello.
Our master chef.
Hi, Chef.
Chetna, Chef P.D. Khan and I go back a very long time. We
Okay.
kind of worked together, best part of 30 years?
30 years.
Maybe
No
40 years?
way.
Yeah, we worked together in Calcutta in 1995.
Oh my God.
Yeah, in the kitchen.
And you stuck together.
Not entirely, not all the time.
Okay,
but yeah,
okay.
yeah. Let's show you the...
Oh, that's the dish you were talking about.
Yes. So we have So this is the mussel dish that I was talking about with the rice dumpling.
Yeah.
And it's got a curry leaf and lime crumble on it. And then it's got this curry leaf oil that goes.
Wow.
And we have this pav bhaji with burrata. And it comes with its own couple of
Amazing.
pavs. Yeah.
And you've got some fish in there.
And you say hello to the boss lady here.
Hello.
She's Preeti.
Hi, Preeti. Hi. So most of your team here has been with you forever.
Yeah. I mean, my senior chefs, the five of us working together, we've probably got 155 years of cooking experience together.
Wow.
People stay with us a very long time. So many people you'll find who've been here 20 years, 24 years. Quite a few of my opening team members are still with us.
Still here.
Yeah, 5th of March 2001, completing 25 next year. So
Oh my
it's
God.
great, But and things go up and things go down,
Yeah.
but in the main, I think I could never say that they could have tried harder.
Yeah.
All of the time, 98, 99, things can go up and down, but
Yeah.
it's always out of love.
Oh.
They're always doing it with love.
But if people have stuck with you for
Stuck.
like enjoy no, I
Yeah,
was
of
coming
course.
there.
Yeah.
It's such a big thing in today's day and age.
Yeah.
Because when you speak to people in the kitchens, it's like 5 years, 6 years maximum. Not 20 years and 15
Yeah.
years. That
So-
speaks a lot about you.
Yeah, we like to look after people. We
Yeah.
also like to push people to
Well,
grow
clearly,
and stuff like
you
that.
are looking after them.
But
Yeah.
we like people to grow and so and learn and do different things.
Yeah.
Because sometimes people don't even know themselves that they have more to
Potential.
do and
Yeah.
achieve. So you have to kind of give them that.
Absolutely incredible.
We love what we do and we want more people to come and do it for longer. So why not?
Amazing. Absolutely incredible.
So now we are doing all the mains. Already we have served appetizer and starters.
Yeah.
So now we're going to serve mains.
Oh, lovely. And what is your main today?
Today's main we got like Kentish lamb with corn sauce, keema, pulao rice and stir fried greens.
Wow. Okay.
And we got some vegan and vegetarian option as well for
Okay.
people who are having nut allergy and dairy allergy. So we do it separately.
Oh, beautiful.
This one is paneer lava bazar.
Oh, paneer lababdar. Kitchen is buzzing. Busy, busy, busy kitchen.
The game is gone, so at the moment there's partridge as well as other times you have pheasants. We love it.
This was Bombay Masala Martini. Wow.
Gin based, this one with some spices, curacao,
Yes.
lemon juice.
Amazing. Right, guys, let me introduce you to the food. So this is lotus leaf and lentil koftas, pav bhaji with burrata, and these are the paos to go with the pav bhaji. This is the rabbit chef was talking to us about earlier. Oh, sorry, pigeon, not rabbit, sorry. Thanks, Julie. This is chicken razala, and this is Malabar style mussels. This is the black dal, the garlic naan, the onion aloo paratha, and then the Kentish lamb chops.
Kentish lamb chops.
Yes.
We have Alsatian Pinot Gris and food from the same place.
So we are getting to do a wine tasting while we do the food tasting, which is incredible. Wow, Argentinian
Quite
Merlot.
deep, rich, soft on tongue.
Wow.
More Pinot Gris.
The setting and the food, everything is absolutely incredible. Okay, I'm desperate to try the pigeon because I have never ever in my life had this, so just gonna have a little bite. And that's the first thing I'm gonna taste. Right, I have got my plate ready and I've tried to get a little bit of everything and I'm going in. Okay guys, I'm going in. It's a very busy restaurant, so if my voice is all muffled and you can't hear me clearly, I apologize, but I didn't realize the restaurant would be packed. I'm going in and everybody's looking at me because the camera is pointing at me, but I'm starting with the pigeon. I've never had pigeon in my life. It's really lovely. So tender. That is lovely. I love lotus leaf and the lotus stem and the lentils. I don't see it in many restaurant menus. Very hard to get. So I'm going to try the kofta next. Oh wow. Oh my god, this is insane. Why have I not been here before? That is delicious. Wow. These are the mussels with the rice dumplings that the chef suggested we have. Oh, you can really taste the curry leaves, and that sauce is beautiful. Like he said in his interview, that the whole combination of Indian spices with the modern British techniques and ingredients, and the burrata pav bhaji with the pav. Oh, everything on this plate is delicious. The flavors, the delicacy of flavors, the combination, tasting like Indian food but looking really fancy and inviting, and the smells and everything, the textures, spot on. No wonder he's celebrating 25 years. Oh my god, garam masala Christmas pudding, and that is black cardamom brulee, and that is lime basil sorbet on the side. Go for it. And that's the custard for the pudding. That is the right amount of custard. Okay, so that's the black cardamom. I have in my life never had a black cardamom sweet dessert. It's such a savory spice I've grown up with that I can't imagine it. And you can really taste it. It's subtle, but it's delicious. Firni, which is one of my favorite desserts, it's obviously modernized. Oh, that is. It's lots of cardamom, saffron, delicious. And the masala Christmas pudding. I messed up all the names today. It's so good. It's a bit more cakey rather than full of fruits, which is what Christmas pudding is, but it's absolutely delicious. So the lunch is done, the desserts are done, and now I have finished my coffee. The meal was incredible. I loved every aspect of it. And though I wasn't sure about the modern take on Indian food, I loved it all. My favorite dish of the evening has to be the lotus stem with the lentils. Everything else was also fantastic. I just can't really choose one, but that stood out because it's so unusual to find any recipes, any dishes on menus with lotus stem. The puddings were a delight, the wine pairing, the cocktail, it was a treat. So all I'm going to say is, if you find any cinnamon club or cinnamon kitchen where you are, and if you have to specially come and visit, then please do, because it's such a treat and such a delicious meal. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave all the details of the restaurant in the description as always, and I will see you guys very soon with another new video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.